Okay, today is February 16, 2026. This is how our mountain looks like right now. It's so cold. Started snowing since this morning. Early this morning. It's long weekend. Today is Monday. And the road is closed again. I don't know how much the snow will will continue, but it will stop in maybe an hour or two from now. But will continue again snowing until 2 more days or 3. So I think my husband will be snowed in again. So take care, guys. Bundle up, and God bless you all. So let's interview my husband because he was trying to rescue our neighbor Robert. His wife asked me if we can help him. He was stuck at the Y turn. So, sweetheart, how far did you go?
So it's 5 miles or 6 from here, and there's a pileup of more than 30 vehicles. Nobody can get through.
Wow.
On going out, and nobody can get in. Coming back in. The snow plow is on its way now. It should be there in maybe half hour to clear up the road. There's a large propane truck stuck.
Oh my gosh.
That truck is blocking the road.
Do you think it's safe? That propane tank is there?
There's no issue. It's cold.
Oh, okay.
There's no issue. They're stuck. Yeah, they came up with no chains, and so
Wow.
in that part of the mountains, it's colder and gets more snow than usual.
How about Robert? How did he leave?
So on the way back,
Oh,
he got stuck coming back.
okay.
Going out, he left okay, but on the way back, the snow started harder.
I see.
So yeah, he's gonna be okay. He's stuck there with everybody else, but he's staying warm in the car. Everything is good.
Okay. Thank God my husband came back safe.